Morning, everybody. It's time for coffee. Can't start without my coffee. I want to show you my newest upgrade here to our cargo camper build. I got some Coleman. These are Coleman ComfortSmart Deluxe Cots. I got two of them, and I'm going to show you why I got them in just a minute. But this is the Coleman ComfortSmart Deluxe Camping Cot. So let me show you what those are and why I picked those for my cargo trailer. Let's go. Coffee time.
When my ship comes in, I know just what we'll do. We'll pack our bags and quit our jobs and have a holiday for two. We'll pack our bags and quit our jobs and have a holiday for two.
Say hi, Patch. Say hi, Patch. What's up? Oh, do you want to come camping? Do you want to go camping, Patch? You ready? Got your stuff packed? Got your dog food packed? He's ready. Look at that face. He said, I'm ready. Okay. Alright, well, welcome back, everybody. I'm going to open this up and show you what this is in just a minute and why I got these. This is the Deluxe Camping Cot. And be careful if you order these on Amazon. Make sure you know what you're getting. There's two different kinds of ComfortSmart Cots by Coleman. There's the Deluxe and the Standard. The Deluxe is 80 inches long and the Standard is about 68 inches long. So it's a little bit shorter. The Standard is shorter, it's also narrower. I think it's about 28 inches wide, 25 inches wide. And the Deluxe is 30 inches wide. I'll be sure to put the details on there on the video when I put this on my channel so that you know exactly how long and how wide these are. But I got these so that when I put them in the cargo trailer, our cargo trailer is 6 feet wide, or actually about 70 inches wide. So we should have about 10 inches in between so that we can walk between them. So let me open it up for you. And I got these on Amazon. They normally run right now about $119, $120. But I got these because these were opened already. And so they're all good. This one's perfectly fine. I went through it and checked it. There's no marks, no rips or anything. So it's perfectly fine. The only thing that was dented was the box. And so I got these on Amazon for about $80. So be sure to look on Amazon or Walmart when you see these on Walmart. Make sure that it's the right size you want, and make sure it's if it is open, to make sure that it doesn't have any scratches on the bed itself. Let me put the knife down so I don't hurt myself. All right. So they come pretty well packed. There's nothing. Everything looks like it's been packed pretty well. This is how it comes when they're packed. They have a little Velcro tape on the top, which is kind of nice, keeps them sealed up. And so inside the cargo trailer, you might notice there's some little brackets on the wall. And I put those brackets on the wall so that I could fold the cot up against the wall if I wanted more room inside to bring my bikes and stuff inside. They don't completely fold flat. So I was a little disappointed. I'll show you that later on in just a second. But it does fold up flat enough where I can get bikes, kayak or something in here. I can get those in here, or other camping supplies, and just fold them up against the wall if I wanted to. So when I open it up, it opens up like this. Now the interesting thing, when you open it up, it does come with a mattress. And the mattress is on the inside. Just be careful when you pull the mattress out so you don't scratch something on the side here. There are some little brackets there. Just pull it out gently. Like comes out pretty easily. It has a nylon on the back, and then like a material, a little heavier, softer material on the front. This is the deluxe. The standard has a smaller pad as well, but I've heard that it's a lot slicker on the back. This one doesn't seem to move around. Let me set this up. So just this. Take off. Little foam pieces to take off. And the first time you get it open, it's a little stiff actually. There we go. We've been painting the trailer, as you can see. We just finished painting it inside. So we're still doing some stuff to the trailer, but here's the thing. Like this. Voila. There it is. Coleman Deluxe. The Deluxe is going to run right now $119 on Amazon, and if you look on Walmart, I think they have them for about the same price. So let me put the pad on. There we go. Oh yeah. You know, it's pretty comfortable with the pad on. I do have a 3-inch memory foam pad that I bought to put on top of these. My wife says, let's go ahead and put the 3-inch memory foam on there, and why not be comfortable, right? So we'll probably do that. But to be honest with you, these are pretty comfortable. They really are. I could sleep on this. It's about, an inch and a half. Get up in the middle of the night. If you have to go to the restroom or something in the middle of the night. Voila, right? Alright, let me show you what I did here. To kind of show you a little bit better. I put these little J brackets here. I got these on Amazon. They're about 2.5 inches out, 3 inches tall, and about an inch, about 1 inch, 2.5 inches, 3 inches, and it just holds it up against the wall like that. Alright, the only problem was this bar in the cot does not fold flat. If it did, that would have been the coolest thing, but it just didn't. I didn't realize it wasn't going to do that. But some of the other cots that I looked at, I was going to do this with other cots, and some of the other cots, the legs don't fold flat like these do. And so that's why I got these instead. So if you like this video, please be sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to ring the bell and subscribe so you can get more videos when I put them out in the future. So today was the Coleman ComfortSmart Deluxe Camping Cot for your cargo trailer or anything if you want to use them anytime camping. They are very comfortable. Remember, these are the deluxe. They're 30 inches wide, 80 inches long. Give you a little more room, a little more space on there if you like to. And still, in a cargo trailer, look, I still have about 10 inches between them to walk. Have a great day, guys. Safe travels. Catch you later.